back again.
Hello.
In the car. And today we are actually going to go buy some Christmas decorations for our apartment. We're going to like decorate our apartment and everything. So we're gonna go to Target. Target to go get some stuff so that we can go decorate. So yeah, you're gonna come along with us. Just got to Target. Okay. We just had like a whole dance party in the car.
All the security cameras in this parking lot saw it, so you're welcome.
Emem stripped for us.
Yeah. I basically stripped in the car.
She's a stripper now.
Basically, yeah. This is so cute.
Actually, I love this blanket. I really like this blanket a lot.
Really? Did you get it?
It'll look good on my bed.
Look at this.
Wait, we need candles.
These are so cute with the stockings, but we don't have a fireplace.
Oh, put it on the couch.
That's so cute. Okay.
We can just go chop
this one?
down. We can just go outside, put it on top of my car.
Yeah. We're not getting a tree because it's ridiculously expensive. Like
crazy
it's
expensive.
literally like $90 for one. That's ridiculous.
A little tree.
Lights. Look at these cute. We're getting in our names, so H-E and R. R is in there. R. Yeah.
Guys, it's Santa. It's Santa. Are we young enough? Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Here, Holly. Here, Holly. No, this is so comfortable. I can't. I just can't. Why?
Because I'm a dog.
Okay. Y'all, Christmas decorations are ridiculously expensive. Like, it's
What a scam.
ridiculous.
What a scam.
Like, we didn't even expect it. We just looked up. It was like $200.
Yeah. And we didn't even get that much.
We didn't get that much.
Honestly,
Like,
didn't get that much.
what? Like, it's so expensive. Like, we paid like $230 like for and we didn't get that much. Like, that's like
Yeah.
they just like raise the prices of this stuff for no reason.
Yeah.
It's
because
ridiculous.
people buy it. And like, people, like, it's like.
And it's because like you buy it once and then you keep using it over and over
Exactly.
How
again.
much do we need to Venmo you?
So we've had these balloons just around our living room
too long.
since Holly's birthday, which is like November 23rd. And Holly's like, she's over them.
Wow, this is good therapy.
Oh.
I really hope our neighbors can hear him.
Candles. You're getting that spirit.
Ooh.
Getting in that spirit.
Yes.
Decorating has commenced. We have a Christmas movie up on the TV, of course. And we're gonna be playing music and decorating. So we just got done decorating. We have lights all over, as you can see. We put a garland on our dining table. And we have this little tree here, of course. We have to have at least something signifying some kind of tree. And I have this beautiful joy sign. Like, it's so, but that's beautiful. And then we have more lights all over, more lights. And then we have a garland here as well. And then the main event, we have our stockings. It's so cute. We have Ruth, Emem, and Holly, of course. And then we have a wreath here. And then we have the blankets and the pillow, and it's so cozy.
It's amazing.
I love it. We did so well. Like, it looks so good. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, following us around to decorate our apartment. We love how it turned out. We're excited for Christmas.
So excited.
And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down low, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Peace.